So today's video is going to be a little different, and the fact that I'm trying to get the lighting just right with this. But yesterday was a crap day. Today has been a little better. Things kind of set in a little bit. Let me give you a breakdown. Really, what happened yesterday, things were going well, as usual, busy, just busy, still adjusting a lot to people coming into the shop. But, so, went to go get some ink to finish up an order. I'm gonna put that in there. I'm just gonna make this a straight run. And went to one of my vendors to get some turquoise ink. My car has been having problems. It's a 2012 Chevy Cruze, which I do not recommend getting. It's a 6-speed manual, and the transmission went out. It had been slipping for a while. Went out, barely made it back to the shop. I got probably about a football field away from the shop. Called my dad up because he's right down the road. Thanks, old man. I know you probably won't ever see these, but he came and helped me out. Got AA to tow the car back to the shop so we can kind of figure out what to do about the vehicle situation. Oh my god, this camera's heavy. So I thought it was a clutch. It's been slipping for probably about a month. I'm like, oh, I'll get around to fixing it. It's the transmission. Transmission just went out, and I know that because when your clutch slips, you know, you tend to not really be able to go anywhere, but for a split second it just really kicked in, and the clutch was grabbing like there wasn't anything wrong with it. So it's the transmission. Sucks. So my dad comes to help out. A lot of people were in and out of the shop. My dad's hanging out. First time he saw the shop, which is really cool. But at the same time, it was a little overwhelming. That day had to finish up an order of 300 shirts. Didn't finish it up, so I had to call our client. She completely understood. And the phone lines went down that day as well. So as I'm trying to drive back to the shop, I'm calling Shannon. I'm like, hey, I might not make it back to the shop. She's like, are you serious? Yes. I probably won't make it back. Luckily, I've made it, like I said, not a football field away. Walked back to the shop, had a tow truck AA, get it back to the shop. The tow truck guy was really cool. He knew about screen print and was kind of interested in getting into it, so showed him around the shop, and we talked hot rods and stuff like that. Again, a lot of foot traffic, and so we were here late. After the client understood, they came and picked the shirts up today. They're happy with them. So today's Thursday, and they didn't really need them till not Friday, I believe Saturday. So she got the shirts. So last night as well, we're working late, and the power goes out. What the fuck? What is going on? It was just a total crap day. Still to this day, trying to figure out what to do about the car, because we have a lot of orders to complete, and so it wasn't a day of rainbows and sunshine, and it's kind of trickling over to today. But we're keeping a positive attitude. We're going to figure all this situation out. So anyways, guys, just kind of wanted to share that with you, because I know a lot of people just kind of post the good things, sometimes some of the bad things, but I mean, we're all human and stuff happens. As my dad says, shit happens, or if it's not one thing, it's another, and that seemed to be yesterday. It's almost like bad things come in threes in a sense. So anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and check out some more of our videos, and we'll see y'all around.